going to do today?
Yeah.
Today, Kanak would be helping me to plant some methis. She has some seeds. Kanak, do you want to show me the seeds? Yeah, so these are methi seeds. Kanak wants to grow plants using these seeds. It's already springtime, so it's perfect time for planting them. Okay, so for planting, it's easy. Either you can put seeds directly into the soil bed, or the other easier way is to soak them. That would help them to grow, germinate very fast. You can see here, I already soaked them overnight. In couple of them, you can even see they are ready to germinate. They would just go into soil and they would germinate in a day or two. So now let's take them to the soil bed. What do you think, Kanak?
Yeah.
Now Kanak is ready with her soil in a pot. We are doing methis, the fenugreek, in a pot. So she is ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. Take some seeds. You can use your hand or spoon, whatever you want.
Spoon.
Okay. Just sprinkle it like this everywhere. It doesn't need to be even, but it should just cover the soil bed. It should be enough for them to germinate. Because some of them might germinate, some might not, but I think they all will germinate because they are already pre-soaked. And tons of plants would come out, and I want it to be full all over so that we have tons to make parathas and sabzis. We love eating it as methis. The fenugreeks have a lot of medicinal values as well, so we love eating it. And after we put it, it would, just in couple of days, it would germinate. That's it, Kanak. I think it's okay. That much is enough. It's more than enough, baby. It's more than enough.
It's more than enough?
Yeah. Now, I want it to be covered with a little bit of soil.
Little bit? I can do it.
Yeah, you can help me doing it.
I got myself. Germinate?
Yeah.
Germinate.
It will germinate.
It
doesn't need to go very in, but yes, it needs to be covered up because I'm going to keep it outside in the warm place, not very sunny, because in sunlight, when it's too warm, too hot, it won't be able to germinate a lot. You can see a few of the fenugreek plants that are already there. They did bloom because I had seeds a couple of days back in this pot, but I kept it out and I did forget to bring it inside in the rain. So they all perished. Kanak, I think that's okay. Now my pot is all ready. I'm going to leave it for a couple of days and I would see the plant blooming out. Day 3 of soaking of our fenugreek, the methi seeds. See what's the condition of it. It's growing rapidly. I kept them
very fast.
Very fast. I kept these ones indoors. So with the warm weather, warm temperature inside, it's going super fast.
Very super fast like this.
Do you see? Is our fenugreek methi all grown up now?
What is grown up?
It's big enough.
Yeah.
Hey guys, as you can see, now it's almost 2.5 weeks of soaking our methi seeds. And our methis are just big enough to harvest. For harvesting the methis, we are just not taking them out from roots so that it can regrow again. Would you like putting them here?
Yeah, I will.
You can help me?
Yeah.
Put them on the plates. I'm leaving back the roots so that we can have one more harvest.
What is harvest?
To have one more round of methis. parathas. What do you think?
Yeah.
You love
Need
parathas?
some water.
Yes, there would be some water in there. They're all fresh grown at home without using any fertilizers.